Welcome back to Jackass. His name is David, my name is Jericho. Now we will discuss about the War of the Generals invented here in the Philippines by Alberto de Masillan. He lived in Cotabato? What? Sorry. The game of the Generals, also called Salpakan, it's an educational war game invented here in the Philippines by Sofronio H. Pacola Jr. in 1970. This is designed for 2 players and requires the use of logic. The game simulates armies at war trying to outflank and outmaneuver each other. This game allows only one side plan to succeed. Certain strategies and tactics, however, allow both sides the chances of securing a better idea of the other plans as the game progresses.
When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned?
Now we will show you how to play Scrabble. My friend David and Alyan will teach you. Look at them, they're so busy studying. What? Okay. Sorry about that. We will teach you about Scrabble and the mechanics. See, this is the board for Scrabble, and these are the letters. Each letter has its own score, its own number. That number, see, it's number 4 for letter V. Each letter has a number that indicates the score or the points that you get for each letter. Let's see that. Here, you can see that 7 letters. That 7 letters indicate the letters for each player. There are a maximum of 4 players per game, and they take turns in playing. And this is how you play Scrabble. You put each letter on the square in these squares. These gray squares are empty and ordinary, while these colored squares, they put bonuses. For example, this double word score. When you successfully add a word here, you will gain ×2 for your score. So, for example, you get 2 points, you will get 4 points. Let's see it. Okay, let's try and play. You put letter A here. You put letter S there, and you put letter T here, which will spell cast. If you're sure about your word, you can go on and then there. You see, it's easy. There's a multiplication here because there's a bonus block, so you get bonus points, and that's how you play Scrabble.
Hello, Jackass. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.